Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, our actually today we have a practical. The title of today's practical is Application of Various Management Tools at Livestock Farm. Uh, I already taught you different management practices in different physiological stages of animals. For example, when a calf is born, how to care or how to take care of newly born calf and manage this newly born calf. And after the birth of the calf, that is calving or parturition, which management practices we should adopt at farm. Then, if an animal is in the stage of heifer, I mean, a female calf, when it starts to, move towards the second phase of its life, that is heifer stage. Then, how to manage and which management practices we adopt at farm level. Then, coming towards the pregnant animals, and then pregnant and lactating animals. So, most of the management practices you may have heard the name before, but today this practical is specifically has focused on those tools which are used at livestock farm. So this practical lecture has been divided into two components. So the part one basically is also shares the same, but a lot of equipments which we have. The first part at here UF subcampus Dipalpur Okada, and the second portion will be those equipments we may not have at our campus. So let's start. So you can see these four pictures. Starting from left side, if you observe that. Let me get the pointer. See this one on your left hand side. These are different surgical equipments. So if in case an animal has to undergo through surgery due to some reasons, for example, sometimes for calving, for uh, for for delivery of the animal, we have to aid the animal with the help of surgery in order to complete the process of parturition. So these are some of the tools which are being shown in this picture. They are being used during the surgery. So these are called as surgical equipments. It's one bone. Here on your right side, upper right side, you can see a different these equipments. So all these equipments are post-mortem equipments. I mean, when an animal dies or the death of the animal occurs, then we have to identify that what was the reason of the death of animal. So after the death of animal, post-mortem is being conducted, and these are those equipments to complete the post-mortem process. And just below this uh, is of this, the right side below down here, you can see the lab coat, the stethoscope. We also have thermometer and other equipments. Sorry. And here, these are two equipments which are used for the castration of animals. So castration machines, these are, and we call them Burdizo castrators. So these are Burdizo castrators. Maybe soon when you will be joining the campus, I will be sharing with you the methodology how to castrate the animals, or maybe post-mortem or surgical equipments, or their limitation, their application may be limited, but we would be using some of the, equipments or tools, and one of which is this castration machine, also known as Bardizo castrator, and it has wide application at farm, especially for male calves in order to castrate these animals. And next one are some other, equipments or tools which are used in different management practices at livestock farm. For example, this one is this thing. It is weight measuring tape. Okay, weighing an animal is requires large scales or weighing scales. But if a farmer doesn't have too many animals, I mean, he has two, three, four, five, six, a smallholder dairy farmer or smallholder farmer, then what? Which method should he adopt to measure the weight of animal? So this measuring tape, weight measuring tape, is used for getting the approximate values of weight. Here on your upper right corner, you can see a machine. This is tattooing machine. Sorry, these spellings are not right. TATTOOINE, tattooing machine. Tattoos. You may have heard of tattoos. So this identification practice is also performed at farm level. The animals are allotted or given a specific number, a code, and its record is being maintained under this number or code. So this is known as tattooing machine. Tattoos are made on the body of the animal. Just below this one is a drenching gun. This is known as drenching gun. Sometimes we have to, give the animal through its mouth or oral some sort of medicines, some sort of powders, or for its stomach. So these kind of equipments, this is known as drencher or drenching gun, because its structure is like gun, and it works just like gun. Here is another identification tool which is being used to tag the animals. So you may have seen the animals a tag on their ears. So this machine is used for tagging the animals. Then I have also discussed with you practice of dehorning, the removal of the horns. So this is an electrical dehorner, and we use it at farm level. This one, maybe we will use when you will be joining us here. This one is, artificial insemination equipment range. This one, this one, this one. So this is artificial vagina. This one is lubricant gel. This one is AI sheaths, artificial insemination sheaths. So all these equipments, they are used for the collection of semen from bulls. All these three, equipments. So I think, and thank you very much for this part. We will be, you will be joining me in the next part again. Thank you very much.